Right, let's look at what are called sequences. When we're talking about sequences, we're simply talking about numbers that are arranged in a particular order, or numbers that are generated because of a certain formula. So you need to study the pattern first, and then you'll be able to write the next following numbers. And our question says, find the next 4 terms of the following, right? Let's look at A. We are supposed to write the next 4 terms, but we need to study the pattern. Right? The first number is a 2, the next is a 5, followed by an 8, 11, and 14, right? The difference between the first 2 numbers, I'll write in a blue above the numbers, right? From 2 to 5, there's a 3, right? From 5 to 8, there's a difference of 3, all right? The difference between the 2, 8, and 11 is another 3, right? The difference between the 11 and 14 is another 3, right? So the pattern here is, for you to get the next number, you simply add a 3. That's the pattern that we are seeing from the numbers that we have written above here, these numbers, right? It's the difference between the number that we are looking at and the next number. So for me to get the next digits, I will simply say 14. What is 14 plus 3? That's a 17. That's my next number. 17 plus 3, that's a 20. 20 plus 3, 23. 23 plus 3, 26. I'm done. These are the numbers that we required. This is what you do. Let's look at G. Following the same pattern, let's again try to watch the pattern, right? The first number is a 1, followed by a 3, a 7, a 13, and a 21. The difference between a 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3, we get a 2. The difference between this 3 and 7, there's a 4 there. The difference between this 7 and 13, we have a 6. The difference between this 13 and 21, we have an 8, right? So our numbers are increasing, 2, 4, 6, and 8, right? So for you to get the next number, you add the number above here by a 2, and then add it to the number that you'll be looking at. So what is our next number? From 21, our next number should have a difference of 10, because here we're moving from 2 to 4 to 6 to 8. So the next number should be 10. So that's 10. So we can simply 21 plus 10, right? We'll get the next number, which is what? It's going to be a 31, right? And what is the next number? We have a 10 here. We'll say the next number after 10, the even number is a 12, right? We add a 2. So we'll say 31 plus what? 12 will be on a 43, right? The next number, we're going to say, we're going to add a 14. From 12, go to 14. So we'll say the 43 plus what? 14. 14 plus 43, what do we get? We get a 57. And the last number will come to, from 14 here, above here, we'll go to a what? A 16. So we'll say 57 plus 16. What do we get? We get 73. These are the 4 next numbers that we're supposed to write. So you are only able to write these numbers after studying the given pattern. This is fairly interesting. So can you try and work out all the remaining numbers on your own? Thank you very much. Enjoy your day.